Imagine a world where the book Atomic Habits comes to life as a person, a character so focused, so structured, it's as if every atom in their body is dedicated to cultivating excellence. This person is an embodiment of small yet powerful changes. They're not about grand gestures or overnight success. Instead, they're the champion of tiny modifications, incremental improvements that add up over time to create significant results. They'd be the one reminding you that success isn't a big leap forward, but a series of small steps taken consistently. They'd inspire you to break down big goals into manageable daily tasks. They'd be the embodiment of patience, persistence, and progress, one tiny habit at a time. Just like the book, they'd show you the power of compound interest in personal growth. That's Atomic Habits personified for you. A relentless advocate of change, one habit at a time. Remember, progress is a process. It's not about being perfect, it's about being better than yesterday. So